Shortly, I will arrive in the little town of LuckenBach, Texas. A quick history about LuckenBach Post Office. Founded 1850s, originally named South Grape Creek. It was renamed in 1856 after Albert Luckenbach. The hub operated out of the general store, serving as community primarily linked to the outside world for over 120 years. The White Line. Under the owner of Hondo Crouch, a white line was painted on the floor to separate federal property, the post office, from the saloon to ensure that patrons didn't bring beer into the mail area. Closure. In 1971, the post office officially closed its doors on April 30th, 1971, and the zip code 78647 was retired. Today, this office remains an iconic landmark inside LuckenBach. General store prefers as museum piece and photo for visitors, and it also has some nice gift shop inside the store and live music. So if you have chance, visit this store. It is in LuckenBach, Texas, about 2 hours north from San Antonio, Texas.